What's up YouTube, this is a new tutorial on my DEKO channel. Before we start, don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video. And if you want to work with me, look in description, all my accounts, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. Okay, today we're gonna show you Still Alive remix, sing by Drake, Lil Baby. Let's listen the intro.
All the time. Wanted me to lie, wanted me to cry, wanted me to die. Real life. I'm staying alive, I'm staying alive, I'm staying alive, I'm staying alive, staying alive.
Okay, the first thing, I played this vocal from Omnisphere VST. Let's listen. This is voice choice. I edited right here the equalizer and I cut the bass and something from high frequency. Then we edited the first distortion from FL Studio to make it punchy. Then we edited some from Valhalla Vintage Verb and the mix on 100%. Then we edited the gross beat to make automation clip on this sound. Then we edited two effects. Let's listen to the effects. It's like fire effect and some effects from Cashmere Back. Then we added the bass from Omnisphere, like raise bass. Listen. We added Saturn 2 from Fab Filter and Isotope Trash 2. It's another distortion, but this is from Isotope. And we added a lot of automation clips on the vocal to make it move, like delay and reverb, and pitch to make the vocal pitch up and pitch down, and this compressor from Fab Filter Pro C2, and some EQ like this, and some from high frequency.
I see in love and she been over once. Not like I know her for months. This life ain't allow me to take what I want. It's not like I know what I want. It's not like I know what I need. I get some time, but there's no guarantees. When I was both was being a tease. Or if I can pull out, she down on her knees. Whoa, baby, gon' hit it and send it to me. Yeah.
Okay, the first song right here, we added the sound. This is one shot from Kashmir. Let's listen. Let's call it stab, punchy. It's a good effect for it. And we added in it just EQ, and we did cut for the bass right here. Then we added some of club bass. In the mixer from A to A, EQ from FL Studio, then fast distortion and the mix on 44%. And let's listen to some percussions that I added. And we added it right here, EQ like this, and Saturn 2 from Fab Filter, and compressor, but it's different from Xsphere. It's called OTT. It's a good plugin to make hard trap and hard remixes. Then we added soft open hat. And this is a melody, let's listen. did the arrangement like this.
I get some time, but there's no guarantee. When I was broke, she was being a tease. Boy, if I can pull, now she down on her knees. Whoa, 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 whoa. Baby, gon' hit it and send it to me. Yeah.
And this is December. We added the EQ in the sample and wave shaper like distortion and fruity limiter. We did saturation like this, some compression control from here, and we added some reverb from main plugins on FL Studio. Let's listen. Before, after, it's cool. We did copy from here to paste here, but on Lil Baby sound. Let's listen.
You want me to die, but baby, I'm staying alive. Supposed to be one of a kind, you putting on miles. I thought you were down for the ride. I'm trying to turn up her style, we going Chanel, she did everything inside. She did some shit with another guy, I don't even care whenever I see you mine. Baby, everything's sending to me. It's hard definition of peace. Another nigga turn superstar, but I fuck with girl like I'm still in the streets.
Okay, let's move to the drop and some effects and the same vocal, and some percussion. Okay, right now let's move to the drop. Let's listen. Okay, I got this sound from Drake when he said yeah, like this. I got this sound and I did duplicate this sound. Let's listen. And we added equalizer like this and some compressor from OTT and some delay. And another EQ and the reverb from FL Studio and another reverb from Valhalla Vintage Verb. Then we added another vocal from Drake. Okay, let me show you the lead sound. EQ from FL Studio, and we did it like the shape. Broad overdrive, and we did the mix level on 19 and OTT from Xsphere and another compressor from Sound Equalizer and timeless it's delay from FabFilter and fruity balance to I can control in this volume to make automation clip. Let's listen. Hi-hats. So it's so simple. If you liked this video, don't forget to click on subscribe and share and like and write a good comment for me. And if you want to work with me, contact me on Instagram or WhatsApp in description. I will put the remix in description. I'm DEKO from DEKO channel. Peace.